Now out on the trail with the old GT. It's looking a lot for oh, squirrel, lovely. Catch a bit of nature as well. Really nice morning. Yeah, just love all the nature down here. Favourite little trail. Love bringing the kids up here when they're Cockley Cly in the forest, just outside Swaffham. After all this rain, the grass has come back a nice green colour again. Really nice to see as we're coming into autumn. The bike feels great. I've got to flip change gear, I'm in too low gear. I don't want to let go of the camera. I wonder how long the camera will last. Shooting video at 4k60. I only had 50% battery when I started, and it's a pretty old phone, Samsung S9 Plus. Battery life isn't too great now, but then I'm fast charging a lot. Shouldn't really do that. Need to though, to grab the footage. Yeah, look at that, the way the light's coming through the trees. I don't know, I suppose the tint on my glasses helps. Got the old yellow tint on at the minute. Is that more wildlife or a dog? There's people up there, I'll have to stop filming. Or shall we tie? Do well. Right, gear shift.